Welcome to the Victoria 15-watt solar light installation video. Victoria is a solar post top equipped with fixture cap, an integrated PV panel, and an LED lamp. Victoria will have a charge indicator, PC lampshade, PIR sensor, on-off and mode switch, and 4 mounting screws. To begin installation, attach the light cap to the fixture. Press the on-off button for 3 seconds to power on. Check that the indicator light is turned on. Mount the light on top of the pole. Please double check to ensure your pole diameter works with the Victoria fixture. Use the provided mounting screws to lock in place. After proper installation, the light will turn on automatically at night. Lighting modes. Press the on-off button quickly to choose between lighting mode 1, 2, and 3. Mode 1 will show a red light indicating 15% dusk to dawn constant brightness with 30 seconds of peak brightness when motion is detected. Mode 2 shows a green light indicating 30% constant brightness for the first 5 hours, dimming down to 15% output until dawn. The light will also trigger maximum brightness for 30 seconds whenever motion is detected. Mode 3. The orange light will indicate 35% brightness from dusk to dawn.